Hi, I'm Ryan. Welcome to Ask Brian Chow. Today, we're going to discuss SQL accounting software, foreign currency bank account. In SQL accounting software, we got two foreign currency modules. First, foreign currency basic module, where your customer or sales and your supplier or purchase in foreign currency. Second, advanced foreign currency module. This is where you have a foreign currency bank account. Let's check out how does advanced foreign currency module work in SQL accounting software. First, we go to GL, maintain account. Under cash at bank, we create a foreign currency bank account. Example, OCBC, and we put US dollar, USD. Please remember, by putting USD over here doesn't mean that OCBC already a US dollar account. The second step you need to do is go to Tools, Maintain Payment Method. Over here, edit, and select the currency for the bank. Example, USD. Save it. Then only OCBC is in US dollar. The next step, under your sales or purchase, there is a transaction in foreign currency. Example, under sales, invoice. We have a invoice under US customer. You can see that there is a sales, 100 US dollar or 400 ringgit Malaysia transaction. The customer made payment to your OCBC. What you need to do is go to customer payment, click new, select the customer, US customer, and change the receive in to OCBC. Then key in the amount they pay, example, 100 US dollar. Click on this, but please take note on the rate. This rate is the rate on the payment date. Example, the rate is 4.5. You change to 4.5. If there is any bank charges, just put in over here. Let's say 5 US dollar. Then any reference number, FPX something, save this. The system will automatically calculate the exchange gain and loss, and over here, it shows that you have an exchange gain of 50 ringgit. You just need to click OK. If you want to confirm the double entry, just right-click empty space, show double entry. It shows that how the whole things work. As for the purchasing side, same things. Let's say under purchase, you have a purchase invoice in foreign currency. So there is a US supplier, we purchase from him. The purchase is 50 US dollar. The rate is 4. Then you have 200 ringgit Malaysia. And you make payment to supplier, you go to supplier, supplier payment, new, select the supplier, change the payment by to your OCBC, key in the amount you want to pay, let's say 50, knock off with the invoice. If there's any reference number, just put in. Let's say again, change the rate, but this time let's say it's 4.4 example, and you save it. System will auto calculate the exchange gain and loss as well, but this round it shows that you have a 20 ringgit Malaysia loss. Click OK. You can right click any empty space and show double entry. The system will automatically calculate the exchange gain and loss and pass the double entry for you. This is how you handle foreign currency bank account in SQL accounting software. You need two modules, foreign currency and also advanced foreign currency module. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.